I have been persistently sick for what feels like a long time, and when I'm sick, I crave chicken noodle soup, but not the type of chicken noodle soup you might imagine. I love a spicy broth, lots of immune-boosting veggies, and flavorful chicken, which is exactly what this Thai-inspired chicken meatball soup is. The chicken meatballs are mixed up with tons of garlic, ginger, green onions, lemongrass, salt, and pepper. The soup base starts with shiitake mushrooms, curry paste, brown sugar, vegetable broth, and creamy coconut milk. Then you slide the chicken meatballs back into the soup and simmer just a few minutes. The final seasoning elements are fish sauce, juice of a whole lime, and a big bunch of kale for health. Cook up whatever noodles you like. I use rice noodles and pile in the noodles, meatballs, spicy broth, and tons of fresh herbs like cilantro, green onions, and basil. Finish off with some jalapeno and crunchy fried onions, and I am telling you, this soup will heal me.